Do you want to set up Shopify custom pixel for your Shopify store? That data layer is theme independent and future proof for your store. So this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable the Shopify theme independent data layer that is more secure than previous data layer. For accurate tracking, you can use this data layer. This is Jobair Mahmud. I am a top rated Upwork seller in web analytics field. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I am right now in my Shopify backend. At first you have to go there and you have to click the setting option first. After you clicking the setting, there is a customer event section. You can click this. So after you coming into the customer event, you can see there is a pixel option. It's manage app and custom pixel that access customer event with enhanced privacy and security. Shopify also recommend this, and if you have already any app pixel or anything pixel like here, you will see them list in there. Creating this pixel, for right now we don't have any pixel, so we will see this kind of interface in here. So you have to click the add pixel. You can type any kind of name as you want. Just you have to click the add pixel. This name is varied, you can add whichever name you can, and after that you can see there is another option, customer privacy. You just click it. This is for if you are using the Shopify native cookie banner, this option is needed, but for now, right now, you click it, not required. Then there will be data sale option. You can select this data collected is not qualify as a data sale. After that, you can scroll down a little bit. You can see there is some default code. Delete them. I have the Shopify data layer theme independent code. This code is developed by Growth Academy. So we just copy this code and paste it over here. By the way, if you want to set up Shopify custom pixel for your store, just leave a comment in this video, and or you can order my service. I will set up Shopify custom pixel for your business. You need to do some modification here. There, put your GTM code below. So we'll go our GTM. I am creating a container for this Shopify store. I am giving my Shopify container name, and this is for web, and after that click the create option. We have successfully created our container. You can do one thing. There is a GTM container ID. This GTM or container ID, you just copy it and paste your GTM container ID into Shopify custom pixel, this selected part, and you just have to give your container ID in this place. And there is an option, you can see which platform you want to track. Every platform has their data layer schema. It's very advanced script. So if you don't need that, you can remove that. You want to track the future Pinterest, Snapchat, you can also keep them. And then you have to click the save. After saving, you have to do one more thing. You have to there is two options, delete pixel and connect. You have to click the connect. Connecting this pixel will give you more secure access to your online store checkout and order confirmation page. This pixel is subject to Shopify terms and service. After that, you have to connect this and your pixel is connected. This advanced pixel is connected. There is an additional script in the checkout section, but right now this additional script is not anymore. Shopify has recommended that use the custom event, that data layer. There is a new way and more secure and theme independent. That's more give you the more accurate result for your tracking. That is in this customer event. This way you can set up the most out of it, your data layer. How you can debug that your GTM is connected, because it has a disadvantage. At the beginning we have just preview that, but you can't do the preview in this data layer because Shopify don't allow that access. So at first you have to do in inspect. You have to go into the console and scroll down. There is a Shopify Pixel Sandbox Custom, the legs. Click this one and type data layer and enter this. Our data layer event is coming up here. This is the event name is page view, language, page referral, page title. Everything is coming here. And also there is an easier way. You can check that and debug your data layer. that you have already connected into your website. There is a plugin that is also developed by Growth Academy. They are doing great job. This is very advanced plugin. After you have installed this plugin, you just have to go into the setting option and go into the Shopify custom pixel data layer checker. Just enable it and then save it and do a refresh. And then if you click this plugin, it will show you the event name, Facebook page, the page view, login, user data. If you go again, like if you check any, you can click the extension, you can see the view item event is came. Same like the data layer event, page view, view item, add to cart, begin checkout, add contact info submitted, address info submitted, shipping info submitted, payment info submitted. At the end there is purchase event. So that's how you can set up the data layer, custom theme independent data layer for your Shopify store. If you go into the event, any kind of event, you can see there is Pinterest browser site. This is for Pinterest. As the Pinterest requirement, they have made the data layer Pinterest browser site. This is for GA4. This is for Snapchat browser site, and this is for Facebook. So this is how you can enable the Shopify customer event and Shopify custom pixel theme independent data layer for your Shopify store. And this is very future proof data layer, and your tracking will be perfect. This channel exists to make your tracking and analytics better. If you want this kind of more tips and tricks in future, support our channel and stay with us. I'll make sure I'll coming up with another brand new video. So till then, take care, goodbye and tata.